I'm Chiamaka, and in this lesson, we're talking about the most exciting part of physics. Guess guys. Energy! Woo! That's the most exciting part of physics. It's everywhere, in a moving car, falling object, electricity, even inside your body. Energy is what makes things happen. And today, you will see just how powerful that idea is. We'll be right back. Picture this. You're walking out of your house one morning and suddenly you hear a loud crash like two cars just collided on the street. And they're like sliding down your way. What's the first thing that comes to your mind? Physics! Because trust me, you need to know how fast you move out of the way. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to, number one, understand what energy and momentum means in simple terms. Number two, describe kinetic energy, that is energy of motion, and potential energy, that is stored energy. Number three, recognize how work converts energy from one form to another. Think about this. When your phone battery is full, you can do more, right? But when it's low, you can't. Now imagine the same idea in the entire universe, that is energy. Energy is the most important idea in physics. It helps us understand how things move, how things stop, and change. When those two cars collided, they didn't just stop immediately. Why? Because they both had momentum, the power of a moving mass. The heavier the car or the faster it's going, the harder it is to stop. To describe that kind of motion, physics uses two key ideas. Idea number one, momentum. Momentum is how much motion an object has because of its mass and speed. Idea number two, energy. Energy is the ability to make things move or change. Now let's make it simpler. When you press the accelerator and your car speeds up from 0 to full speed, that car is gaining kinetic energy, that is energy of motion. But the energy doesn't appear from nowhere. It comes from work. That is the work your engine does by burning fuel. If energy comes from nowhere, petrol will be free, but you and I know it's not. Now imagine another situation. You are carrying a heavy piano up 6 floors, no engine, just you and your Moxie. Every step you take, you are doing work against gravity. When you finally reach the top, the piano now has potential energy, that is stored energy. Now it's higher up. You are giving it that energy by lifting it. But now imagine your roommate doesn't like pianos and drops it out of the window. Like, imagine what happens? The piano falls down. Its potential energy turns into kinetic energy, that is energy of motion. That is why it speeds up as it falls. When it hits the ground, all that energy has been transformed. That is from the work you did lifting it to the motion of its fall. And yes, after that, there's another energy. That is the energy of regret. Like when you see your broken piano, you're like, oh God. Here's the point. Energy can change from one form to another, but it doesn't disappear. The work you do becomes stored energy, and that stored energy can become motion. That's one of the most powerful principles in physics. It's called conservation of energy. We'll be right back. Let's take a quick check. Just 2 easy questions to make sure this makes sense. Question number 1. What is energy of motion called? A. Potential energy. B. Kinetic energy. C. Stored energy. D. Solar energy. Drop your answer in the comment section. Question number 2. When you lift up something upward, what type of energy are you giving it? Can you guess? A. Electrical energy. B. Magnetic energy. C. Potential energy. D. Kinetic energy. I'm waiting for your answer in the comment section. Now it's your turn to test the understanding. Number 1. Pick 2 things around you. One that is moving like a ball, fan, and one that stays still like a bottle on a shelf. 1. Describe what kind of energy each of it has right now. Then think if something changed, like you pushed the ball or you dropped the bottle, how would the energy transform? I'm waiting for your answer in the comment section. So next time you see something moving, stop or fall, remember it is not magic. It's just energy doing its job. In our next lesson, we'll explore heat and thermodynamics, where energy makes things hot. I am Chiamaka. Thanks for watching. See you next class. Ciao.